Namaskar everyone. How are you? So today is Saturday. So welcome back in our aptitude class. Today we will do the chapter number 12 and 13. Chapter number 12 is embedded figures. Okay, it means which can be fixed. A figure which can be fixed. Okay, so here is two part of figure. One is known as the x and second is called the y. This is y figure. Okay, and these are comes in x figure. Okay, so what we have to do, a figure x is said to be embedded in a figure y. It means a figure x said to be embedded. It means which can be figure x can be fixed in figure y. Okay, so what we have to do, if figure y contains figure x as its parts, in each of the following tick the figure which is embedded in the given figures. What we have to do, we have to find out the embedded part of figure y from x. Okay, this is our y part and this is our x part. Okay, so which figure can be embedded in figure y? So see which can be embedded. See here, which can be embedded. See clearly this part. No. Which part can be embedded? Here is a triangle in this, but we have small triangle, so it should not our answer. And see this type of picture, we don't have this type of picture, so this is also she should also not our answer. Okay, and D, see D is our right answer. D is our right answer. How? See here, D is like this. Okay, and it will come here. See this part. Okay, so D is our right answer. D is our right answer. Option D, tick on option D. Okay, it is our right answer. This D number option, this figure can be embedded. This can be fixed in figure Y. Okay, it means option D is a part of figure X which can be fixed in figure X. Okay, now we have to find out in question number 2 which figure is a part of figure Y. This is our Y figure and this is our X figure. Okay, this parts come in Y and this come in X. Okay, so which can be embedded in second number, which can be fixed. See this part is similar to this portion, I think. Yes, see here is a rectangle and then here is a parallelogram and it is, so I think, see here, this option A is similar to this portion. See, okay, so it means option A is our right answer. It means option A, the figure A from X column can be fixed in figure Y. Okay, can be fixed in figure Y. So option A is our right answer. Option A is our right answer. In first we have D option and in second we have A option. Okay. Now in figure 3, which figure is a part of this picture, this figure? See here, which can be part of it. See this type of shape. No, it is not in our this figure. And this one, here is 1 2 3 4 5 side. We have a 5 side, 1 2 3 4. No, we don't have 5 sides. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So D is also not our answer. Okay, now we have option number C. Let's see the option number C. It is similar to, yes, it is similar to this part. This part. Okay, so option number C is our right answer. It is similar to this portion. Okay, so option number C is our right answer. Okay, now next is question 4. Now see which part is our right answer, which figure can be fixed in Y figure. This is our Y figure and this comes in X figure. So which figure? Let's see here. We have this shape 1 2 3 4, two side. No, we don't have this side shape in this figure. Rectangular type shape we have in this figure, so option B should not our answer. Okay, and this option number B is similar to, I think this is similar to our this portion. See, this big is, see, it is like, see, this option number B is our answer. See, this can be fixed here. This shape can be fixed here in our fourth question. Okay, so option number B, in fourth option number B, from column X, option number B can be fixed in our Y figure. Okay everyone. So now we have question number 5 and 6 you have to do with yourself in homework. Question number 5 and 6 do with yourself in homework. Okay, now we will do the completing figure chapter number 13. Okay, so let's start. Here we have a figure. Suppose this is our column X and this is our column Y. We have a figure in column X. Okay, here is a figure which 1/4 part is blank. 1/4 part, it means generally known as the quarter part is blank. We have to find out the blank part of figure X from the Y column. Okay, so let's find. We have this type of figure. See, observe this figure. We have big square, then we have small square inside. So this small square also these two parts, it the big, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 square. Okay, so we need to find this quarter part. So which can be our answer? See here in the small square, what you are seeing, that opposite sides are same. So opposite side of this blank figure should be like this. Okay, so we have to find out what we have to find out. We should find this type of portion. Okay, this type of portion. So which is our right answer? Which should be our right answer? See, we have square here in right side bottom, but here in option A it is in upside left, and here is also upside left, and this is not, option C is not making square, so A, B and C are not our answer. So now we have option D. See, just a minute beta, see here, यहाँ पे look here, if we will complete this this figure, this will make like this. Okay, it means we need square in upside left side, but upside, it means option B. Option B is our right answer. Okay, option B is our right answer. See, option B, make here option B. So this is our right answer. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2, we have 4 square. This figure also contain circle, but 1/4 part is missing. So firstly we will draw this and then find out which type of figure we need. Complete this figure and also make like this. So we need this type of figure. It means a square having 1/4 part of circle and again small circle inside it, and this type of line. So which figure should be our right answer? Here is this is option D. Option D is our right answer. Okay, so option D is a quarter part of this figure. Okay, now here is this type of figure. We need to draw it firstly, then it will help us to find out the correct part of this figure. So we need to draw this line. Okay, and again like this. And this. So I think option number A, option A or C, no, option A is not our right answer. See here, option C. Why I am saying option C? Because it has a place here. Okay, it has a place here. Like this. Okay, so option number C is our right answer. Option C is a quarter part of this big figure. Okay, option C is a quarter part of this big figure. Okay, now we have question 4. So let's find this part. Firstly complete it. firstly we will complete this figure, then we can easily find out the answer. Okay, and give here dot. So which figure? See here, A, option A. Option A is our correct answer. It is very easy to find. Just draw here. See, it will seem like option A. See again. See here, correct. Now do the point here. So option A is our right answer for question number 4. Okay, now we have question number 6, 5 and 6 you have to do in homework. Do the question number 5 and 6 on page number 37, and also do the question number 5 and 6 on page number 36. Okay, these 4 questions do in your homework, and also complete your classwork in your textbook. Okay everyone, so we completed chapter number 12 embedded figure and chapter 13 completing figure. Homework is question 5 and 6 on page number 36 and 37, and also complete your textbook. Okay everyone, now take care, goodbye.